This is LTG's Prefilter series TVM, an automatic self-cleaning filter which is dedicated to remove automatically coarse particles and fibers from process air. The dedicated applications are all industrial processes which generate a lot of dirt and particles during the process, for example textile business, non-woven industry, insulation industry, paper, wood, etc. The functional principle is that the main air flows through a rotating filter disc. Particles and fibers are separated on the surface of the screen. A gear motor drives the filter discs, and so all the surface passes at a suction nozzle which removes continuously the particles from the process air. The key features is super compact design, a small footprint due to a flat filter disc, automatic system. All drive components are located on the clean side of the filter systems. Lowest pressure drop as the filter material is continuously regenerated. The coarse particles and fibers are finally brought out of the process by a fiber compactor, which we will introduce later.